Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the fourth episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2022. I'm very excited about this time of the year. Not just fall, but it is... Oh yes, I love me some football. High school, college, NFL, you name it. Who is your favorite team? Let me know down below in the comment section. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a great appetizer that'll be perfect for your game day parties. And it's also in my cookbook. We're going to make fried pickles. Oh yes, sugar. Fried pickles. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and it's going to be full of flavor. We're going to use Dill Pickle Spears and we're going to fry them to golden perfection. Your guests will go crazy over these and everybody will be going back for seconds. Y'all going to love and enjoy these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my game day recipes playlist and my previous video, pumpkin spice rice pudding. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your breadcrumbs, your dill pickle spears, and crank up your oil, sugar, because we're about to fry some pickles magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, over here in my pan lined with wax paper, I have 8 dill pickle spears. I'm going to season them with some kosher salt. So now we're going to let them sit, and while they're resting, we're going to get started on our dredging station. I have 3 pans. In this pan here, I have 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're going to add in some yummy spices, just some simple spices. Some kosher salt, white pepper, or you can use black, and some Italian seasoning. Stir this in. And over here in this pan, I have 1 extra large egg that I lightly beaten. And I'm going to add in 1 cup of buttermilk. This is my homemade buttermilk recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. And for a little kick, I'm going to add in some hot sauce. And stir this in. And over here in this pan, I have 1 1/3 cups of Italian-style panko breadcrumbs. Alrighty, now we're ready to coat our pickles. So we're going to take a pickle. We're going to coat them into the flour first. And here's the tip when you coat your pickles or chicken or anything. Use 1 hand for the dry and the other hand for the wet. So that way we won't have any clumps in our coating. So we're going to dip them into the egg and buttermilk mixture. And then into the breadcrumbs. Just like that. And then we're going to place them onto my pan. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish coating the rest of my pickles and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through coating my pickles. So now we're going to let them sit for about 10 minutes so that way the crust will stay locked in when we fry them. And while they're resting, I'm going to heat up some oil. Alrighty, my friends, our pickles is rested. Now we're ready to fry them. I have some canola oil heating up in my cast iron skillet, or you can use vegetable or peanut oil, whatever your heart desire. Got my oil nice and hot. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Hear that sizzle? That's what you want. And be careful not to overcrowd the pan, otherwise the temperature of the oil will go down. I'm gonna put one more in. Alrighty, so now we're gonna let the pickles fry until they're golden brown. Alrighty, my friends, time to flip the pickles. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, beautiful. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish frying the rest of my pickles and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through frying up my pickles. It smells heavenly. See how nice and golden brown they are? So now I place them on the pan with 2 wire racks covered in foil for easy cleanup. And I'm going to let them rest for a few minutes. And then I'll put them on my platter. And then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern fried pickles. Doesn't that look good? And I'm serving them with my dipping sauce. This is my honey miracle sauce. I'll put the recipe to that down below in the description box. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Dip it in the sauce. Look at that. Have a bite. Lord have mercy. Y'all hear that crunch? So crispy, perfectly cooked, and that milk or honey sauce is awesome. Touchdown! This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Fried pickle-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy football season.